Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to start troubleshooting paper feed and paper jam issues with a Canon Pixma MG4250. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you the automated features which can be done directly from your printer using nothing but the control panel and the screen shown here. So if you're not already on the home screen of the printer with copy, photo, scan, get yourself there by pressing the home button. Now we're going to use the down arrow until setup is shown on the screen. You see on the right hand here with a screwdriver and a pair of pliers. So we press the button directly underneath it, and then we press OK again to go into maintenance. From maintenance, we're going to take ourselves down until roller cleaning is selected. Then we press OK. Press OK once more. Now first of all, we need to make sure there is no paper in the paper tray on the front of the printer, so whip out any sheets as shown and then press OK. Now this will take your printer just a minute. When that's finished, you'll be instructed to pop 3 sheets into the paper tray, to lift the output tray, slide them in, and then we press OK once more, and we wait for the printer to do its thing. Now you're not looking for anything to be on your printer simply pulling the paper in, hoping to dislodge any paper fibres or anything that might be messing with sensors or causing the paper not to feed correctly. And obviously when it's spinning the rollers as well, it's the same deal. Now you can repeat this a couple times if you're struggling. I did it with some relatively thick paper just to be certain, and hopefully that helps. We have however found that as these machines go on, the paper feed can start to get a little bit funky. If you do have issues that can't be resolved with this, you can quite often get away with just using a couple of sheets at a time rather than going for like a whole wad of paper, so give that a try, because it'd certainly be cheaper than taking them to a technician and getting them to have a more in-depth look at your machine. But I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let us know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, please do let me know down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care.